was so excited for the music video this morning. When I woke up, the first thing I did was to watch the BLACKPINK comeback for How You Like That. This is a pre-release single because their album is not out yet. And to be honest with you, before quarantine, I wasn't really a big BLACKPINK fan, but quarantine has changed me and I got more into their music, and I like them. I like their style, and I think their music videos are really aesthetic, especially How You Like That. I like the rapping part, especially Lisa's. I'm like, honey, you can step on me any day you want. And like their makeup, especially Jenny's at the beginning of How You Like That, the music video where she had this like stud, is that what it's called, like under her eye here, and also like I think is that jewelry, what's like in her hair. I'll just add a picture here somewhere on the screen. When I saw that, I was like, wow, it looks so pretty on her. But anything on Jenny looks pretty, but that goes for all the girls in BLACKPINK. Anyway, let's get started. Oh, and another thing, Under Armour, please sponsor this video.
So I'm starting with Jisoo makeup, and from looking at the photo that I chose for this video, I can tell that her eye makeup is nothing too difficult. It makes use of neutral colors, but the main focus in this makeup look is the blush and the way it's applied on the face. It looks like she cried. I don't know how to really explain it, but you know, it's the blush is kind of like dripping down her face. And you guys know this foundation already, is the one from Beauty Blender, which I absolutely love because it offers medium coverage and it really makes my face look really nice. I'm doing a voiceover because my neighbors have been so annoying lately. Like, they're so loud at any time of the day, and when I try to film this without the voiceover, the mic would pick on the noise. I don't know, like my neighbors were fine until like recently. Maybe the quarantine is getting to everyone. And I also realized that the walls in my apartment are kind of paper thin. Welcome to New York, I guess. So before I start getting into the eye makeup, I'm applying eye primer because I think that's important to help with my eyeshadow staying in place, but also with those colors to apply more nicely on the eyelid. Dance break. I wish I could add the song to the video, but I don't want YouTube to take it down. So now onto the eyeshadow. I'm starting off with this white shade because I'm trying to build the base, and I'm using the Free CE palette Dear Nude, which is perfect if you want to try to create a neutral makeup look. And now I'm going in with this light brown all over my eyelid. And I'm putting a bit of this dark brown in my crease to help give dimension to the eye. And I'm doing wing eyeliner because Jisoo also wears that, but the line is very thin in order to create a natural aspect to the eye. I wasn't very satisfied with the eye look, so I went for this dark brown from the ABH palette because it's super pigmented, and I'm applying that all over my eyelid. Now onto the brows. So from the picture, Jisoo's eyebrows are straight, they're not arched, but that it has to do with the trend in Korea. There they like to have their eyebrows straight, but I cannot do that with my eyebrows because they're natural arch like this. So if I want to achieve that look, I would have to shave my eyebrows and draw them, and I didn't want to do that, so I just filled them in. And I'm applying a bit of setting powder to help lock in the makeup. And I'm applying a bit of eye glitter, but up on my eyelid because that's how she wears in the picture. So the blush she wears in the photo, it's orange, and I'm using the cloud paint from Glossier, and I'm just using it in my fingers because it's much easier to apply it that way. So I'm just going in as if I was crying, so usually how like your tears are coming down your face, but make it that blush.
When I go to sleep at night, lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies.
And now putting on lipstick, which is not super pigmented because the main focus is the blush and the eye look for Jisoo. So now I'm doing rosé makeup. I'm just skipping for this part because it's foundation and concealer. And I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video that this is my first time recreating a K-pop idol makeup. So please, please, please go easy on me. And also, I'm not a makeup artist, so I'm really trying my best. I already applied the eye primer, and now I'm going in for this dark pink eyeshadow, and I'm applying that all over the eyelid because that's how Rosé wears the eye makeup in her photo. And this, I don't know how I feel about this eyeshadow. It's from Pixie. It's my first time trying a Pixie product. It applies alright. I was kind of struggling because it doesn't apply like smoothly, and I'm also trying to create like kind of a wing at the end of the eyeshadow. I don't really know how to explain it. As you can see in the video, yeah, so that's what I was trying to do. And there was so much fallout under my eye. I don't know if you can really see it here. And now I'm applying the eyeshadow on the other eye. How do you guys like this pre-release single? Do you guys like it? I'm just mad at YG because he's not managing Blackpink well. Like, they barely have any comebacks. Like, this comeback was supposed to happen back in Jan. Like, it's been more than a year. I wish they were under a different agency so they could get, like a full album, more comebacks. Like, they deserve so much more. And now I'm doing this winged eyeliner. From the photo, it looked like she had like a really small winged eyeliner. So that's what I'm trying to do here. And sorry, my mirror is covering up the whole screen. Pony is coming through with this palette. Thanks, Queen. So I didn't know what glitter to apply to recreate this makeup look. So I decided to go for this palette because the glitter here is a kind of chunky. So I'm applying it using my fingers, and I really like it how it's turning out. See, it looks so pretty.
When I go to sleep at night, lonely, you're the reason why.
Here's the footage of me applying mascara because I forgot to add it in the one where I created Jisoo's makeup look. Okay, so I want to hear from you guys. Do you listen to Blackpink? And if you do, who's your bias or your biases? And when did you get into Blackpink? Please let me know down in the comment section. I have noticed in the photo that she wears highlighter on her nose and also above the upper lip and also on her cheekbones. So that's what I'm applying. And I'm using this one from Lancome because it's a bit more pigmented and it's called Sea Kissed. And now I'm applying a lipstick. It's a bright pink lipstick as she wears in the photo.
Without you by my side, imagine I walk through your door.